My inaugural lecture is about a couple of things. It's about my pathway as a midwife to getting a chair at such a prestigious university. In the days when I started in the research world, there was no real trajectory for midwives. It's a lot better now because of the work the NIHR have been doing in terms of academic careers. But in my day, there wasn't really a pathway. So I'll be talking about how I managed to end up here by some fluke. And I'll also be talking about the work that I've undertaken over the years, the 25 years that I've been in research. My research is important because it ultimately makes a difference to the care of mothers and babies. That is my passion. I don't have a particular area in maternity care I work in, and I've done a lot of work over the years in a lot of different areas. But what my passion is to improve the care for mothers and babies. So not only have I been involved in research trials, but I've been involved in influencing and shaping maternity policy over the years. I think anybody interested in maternity care and in research in maternity care would be interested. I'm really excited about my inaugural lecture. It's an ambition of mine to be a professor at a university like this for a long time, but one that I never thought I would actually achieve. So it's an opportunity for me to thank the people that I've worked with along the way and to showcase what somebody like me can do. It means an enormous amount. I'm immensely proud to be here. It's an opportunity for me to thank all my family and my friends for putting up with me, because I work very hard, but also for me to thank all the people I've been involved with in the research that I've done over the years. I'm very multidisciplinary in my approach. I think that's something that isn't necessarily as common as it needs to be. So I'm really looking forward to my inaugural lecture.